Welcome to our office. You've made the right decision in choosing chiropractic care to serve your healthcare needs. Many patients have benefited from chiropractic care, and our #1 goal is to determine the cause of your problem and see if we can help you. This short video will provide you with information about today's visit and what you can expect. Chiropractic is based on the premise that a properly functioning spinal column is a necessary component of good health. Your spinal column is made up of 24 movable bones separated by cushioning intervertebral discs that act as shock absorbers for the spine. Just as the skull provides the protective covering around the brain, your spinal column gives protection to your spinal cord. This bony architecture provides the protective support of the nervous system while allowing movement necessary for your everyday activities. Your nervous system controls and coordinates the function of virtually every tissue and cell in the body. Through a vast network of nerves, the brain sends messages to different parts of the body to regulate the function of our body. Muscle movements, coordination, breathing, and blood flow are all controlled by the nervous system. Housed within the bony architecture of the spinal column, your spinal cord acts as the switchboard for messages arising from the brain and messages coming back from the body. Through the delicate spinal nerves that exit the spinal column at each level, communication between the nervous system and the body takes place. Looking closer, these nerves supply the joints of the spinal column as well, including the discs and the joints in the back of the spine. From the front, your spine should be straight, much like supporting beams. And from the side, your spine is composed of 3 curves, one in the neck, one in the middle back, and one in the lower back. Like the curve in a bridge, these curves provide the structure and support your body needs. Injuries, everyday activities, or poor posture can cause the spinal bones to lose their proper position, which causes nerves to become irritated, setting the stage for spinal problems, including pain. During the initial examination, problem areas of the spine are identified and their role in contributing to your current condition are considered. These are usually areas of the spine causing pain. Your spinal balance will be assessed by analyzing your leg length to get an idea of the symmetry of your foundation. You'll be asked to perform movements to contract muscles that originate from different areas of your spine. These tests are used to isolate different regions of the spine to determine if a problem exists. Your doctor will use these tests, combined with other measures, to determine areas of your spine that require attention. The joints of your extremities can be assessed using these procedures as well. When your body is found to be out of balance, the doctor will deliver a chiropractic adjustment into the problem area using a special handheld instrument called an activator. This instrument was specifically designed to deliver a precise, quick thrust that is gentle, safe, and specific. The thrust delivered by the instrument is so quick that it accelerates ahead of the body's tendency to tighten up and resist the adjustment, producing mobility in the areas of the spine that need it most. In addition, the thrust can be regulated by the chiropractor to deliver stronger or lighter forces, depending on the area of the spine being adjusted. These adjustments are thought to reset your system, in a sense like pressing the reset button on a wall outlet. The desired effect is to provide you with effective pain relief and improved function. Based on the extent and nature of your specific condition, there are choices in the type of chiropractic care available to you. New patients begin with initial relief type care, where the primary focus is to relieve your pain and return your function as soon as possible. Once symptoms are stabilized, rehabilitative care may then begin. Periodic re-examinations will be performed to chart your progress. Specific exercises and home care measures will be suggested to aid in your recovery. And how long you decide to benefit from chiropractic care is up to you. Chiropractic care has helped millions of patients over the 100-plus years, and we have every reason to believe that you, too, should have hope of returning to a normal lifestyle. Welcome to chiropractic.